In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix missing taskbar icons in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, taskbar icons usually disappear because of the shell hang or a conflict with new AI widgets. Since the taskbar is tied directly to the explorer.exe process, a quick reset usually brings them back. So the most effective way is the Explorer Jumpstart. It forces Windows to redraw the entire taskbar and reload your pins. So what I want to go ahead and do is go ahead to Task Manager, like so, and then in the Processes tab, or even the Details tab, go ahead and find Explorer.exe. Then what I want to go ahead and do is right click it, and I'm going to see Restart as one of the options. My screen will go black for a second and the taskbar should reappear with all icons. Now, since I'm recording, I'm not going to press restart, but once you do it, it's going to instantly restart. It might literally just be black for a few seconds, so don't worry. And if the icons are there, but look blank like white pages or broken squares, your icon database is corrupted. So what we want to do is press Windows key and R on our keyboard, and then go over to CMD like so. And then what you want to do is paste these commands one by one. Also, when you run your command terminal, you want to make sure you run it as admin. So this is the first one that you want to run. You can go ahead and, just copy and paste it, or just like pause, what I have on screen right now, and then type it in. And then you want to type in this one and just pause it again and type this in. And then the final one you want to have is this one right here. I'm not going to do them just since I'm recording, but just press enter once you've typed in command one by one, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.